Today's guests take a comprehensive and integrative health approach when it comes to treating our mental health. Here with Two Roads Wellness, our nurse practitioners, Marie Anderson and Deborah Watson. Welcome, ladies.
Hi.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what it means exactly to take an integrative health approach to our mental health. What are we talking about?
Okay, so we're talking about using alternative and conventional methods to help people with their mental health. And so the main thing is that we establish like a relationship with the people, and then we look at mind, body, and spirit and community, and we incorporate all of that in there. So we may encourage things like we do tell them they need counseling kind of thing, but we also look at what may be causing the problem, okay? Dig down to the deep, see what's causing it, and then we will give them suggestions like making sure they get enough sleep, that they're eating healthy, all those kind of things. And some people do require medication, so that is the conventional part of it.
But you're treating the whole person, which is great because that has a lot to do with keeping our mental health healthy. So let's talk a little bit about what a visit to your facility would look like. Obviously, some places you're on a wait list. It's going to take weeks, months to get in. And when you're in need of a service like this, I'm sure time is of the essence.
Yes. So there's not a wait list for us. Usually we can get patients in within a week. Usually our appointments last an hour, especially the first visit for the intake. We usually will take a whole hour to get to know the patient, get to know everything about them so that we can treat them with an integrative approach, instead of having a quick visit. Make the environment very comfortable. We want our patients to feel comfortable when they're around us, so we try to incorporate all that.
And something else you guys are doing is gene site testing.
Yes.
What does that mean?
So gene site testing is where each person's specific DNA tells which medications would be the most appropriate for that person. And so it allows us to choose which medication according to that list, like is it going to process it too fast, too slow, lets us choose the right medicine.
Right, and we're looking at some of the tips here on what gene site testing is about, eliminating that trial and error process.
Right.
Correct.
So instead of putting them on, taking them off, let's try another one, put them on, take them off, let's try another one. It kind of helps you to go right to the medication that might be most effective to begin with, instead of trying to go through that period of what might be right and what might be wrong.
Yeah, and so you have this wonderful approach to medicine, and I'm sure that's why you want to take the time to educate the patient on what exactly we can do to help you.
Exactly.
All right, if people are concerned about whether or not they can afford this kind of treatment, you accept most insurances.
We accept all major insurances.
Okay.
And private pay if you like, but we do accept all major insurance.
And that's helpful. And there was a look at your website. You've got 2 great locations. Where are they?
Danville and Champaign.
Okay, and there was their website in case they want to get more information. And what I think I appreciate most about you is y'all aren't just going to be some pill pushers and, just kind of mask the problems with, medication, but really try and dive deep and figure out what's going on.
Yes, yes.
All right. Well, if you need any more information about Two Roads Wellness in Champaign and Danville, there is a look at that website, which will connect you on ours after today's show at ciLiving.tv.